Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, the iterator interface provides a way to traverse through a collection, like a list, set, etc., without exposing the underlying structure. One of the key features of the iterator interface is the remove method, which allows you to safely remove elements from the collection during iteration. Overview of the remove method. The remove method removes the last element returned by the iterator. It can only be called once per call to next. If you call remove before calling next, or if you've already called remove after the last next, it will throw an illegal state exception. This method is particularly useful in scenarios where you want to remove elements from a collection while iterating over it, avoiding concurrent modification exception that can occur if you try to modify the collection directly. Example, using iterator with remove. Let's consider a simple example where we want to remove all even numbers from a list of integers. Step-by-step code example. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing required classes. We import ArrayList, iterator, and list from the java.util package. 2. Creating a list. We create a list of integers and populate it with some numbers. 3. Getting an iterator. We obtain an iterator for the list using the iterator method. 4. Iterating and removing elements. We use a while loop to iterate through the elements of the list. For each element, we check if it is even. If it is even, we call iterator.remove, to remove it from the list. 5. Output. Finally, we print the modified list, which no longer contains even numbers. Important notes. If you try to call iterator.remove, without calling next, first, or if you call it multiple times without another next, you'll encounter an illegal state exception. The remove method modifies the collection, so be cautious if you need to access the elements afterwards. Conclusion. Using an iterator with the remove method is a safe and effective way to modify collections while iterating over them in Java. This approach helps you avoid common pitfalls associated with concurrent modification.